Industries around the world require high levels of product quality. As clients' needs and product combinations expand, industries face real challenges in detecting production flaws. Traditionally, industries invest in equipment to detect quality issues as they happen in the production line. At the Zero Defects 4.0 project, we took a different and innovative approach. We decided to use data and artificial intelligence to predict quality. To develop this project, we gathered a team of partners with expertise in manufacturing, AI, analytics, digital technologies, IoT, and project management. As our use case, we selected the production of surface wood-based panels at Sonae Arauco, one of the world's most relevant players. This particular process transforms wood and other raw materials into value-added panels to be used in the manufacturing of furniture, flooring, and interior design. By gathering real production and product quality data, we were able to understand defects and identify key parameters that impact product quality. The best set of models was then embedded into the prototype of digital dashboard through data integrators. Finally, user interfaces were designed to prepare the testing in a real manufacturing scenario. The result was an innovative decision support system, a system that uses a unique combinations of algorithms to take a predictive approach to product quality, and that can help process-based industries to be more efficient. To validate the developments, Zero Defects is being tested at Sonae Arauco's plant in Oliveira do Hospital. The system predicts product quality for the production orders, both current and planned, and recommends preventive actions to line operators in order to minimize defects.
The Zero Defection solution will help us to ensure a constant high level of quality in our surface panels production, with expected gains in production efficiency, which is aligned with Sonae Arauco's purpose of contributing to the creation of a better planet.
The Zero Defects 4.0 project can help companies produce more efficiently, contributing to a better use of resources such as wood, energy, water, and chemicals. It was nominated for the EIT Awards 2020 in the category Innovators, an award that recognizes teams that develop high-impact products and services for a sustainable future.